Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to KD and his YouTube channel, The Craft Box, once again. We know in Islam that charity is an essential, and in Ramadan, our charitable rewards are escalated. So, whilst we are in this month of Ramadan, we really should maximize our rewards. The odd nights in Laylatul Qadr are a great way of maximizing those rewards to the fill. Did you know that planting a seed is Sadaqa? It's continuous flowing charity. And from that tree that you have planted, if somebody relishes from the fruits of that tree or is sheltered from it, then you, even after your passing, will reap the rewards. We're actually just going for a little flower here, but give your child a taster of planting seeds. So let's do this. Let's plant a seed with your child, odd night of Laylatul Qadr. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, comment, share and subscribe. I have a plain fibre pot and I'm going to wrap it in silver card all the way around. I'm taking a few silver strips and I'm gluing the strips and I'm adding them onto the fibre pot. Then I will staple on the tops and the bottoms if I feel it needs more security. I'm stapling a string of gold leaves around the rim of the pot. These colours are essential. I've chosen these colours to add value so the children can see that their rewards are as precious as gold and silver when they plant a seed. To add an extra decoration, I've got a flower here with a bronze trim in the centre. This is just stapled on. I've simply taken African marigold here. It's seasonal most year round. Let them be active in watering it and putting it in sunlight. When it needs repotting, let them take part in that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, comment, share and subscribe.
It would be very rude not to begin with Bismillah to bless our poultry food. Not to begin with Bismillah to bless our poultry food.